I'm in film production, and I'm going to graduate in June 2023. Getting to shoot a film that I originally wrote. So this is kind of my second time through film school. So I did York for screenwriting, and I wrote a script there that was supposed to get produced but didn't get produced. So I came here with the intention of having this be my thesis film, and I kind of knew going in that's what I wanted to do, and I was working on it the whole way through, and then when it came time to pitch, it got approved, and now I'm going to be actually shooting it. So that's definitely been the highlight for me. There's more than 20 films that are getting made every term, and I started in term 2. I was kind of taking on opportunities to work with the other, like the writing, the acting, the production students. So being actually on sets, hands-on experience, doing things that are going to translate to post-school careers has been great. The biggest issue that I had previously is that I wasn't offered those opportunities. So coming to Toronto Film School and being able to do that, and being able to leave with like a resume with like a list of credits for films that I've worked on, and getting that experience has been invaluable. I'd say faculty is definitely big. Like I've had some instructors that have been amazing and have really helped me figure out my hope, like the career path that I'm hoping to move towards. And that's been like outside of class. Like it's kind of like they're really, some of them are really responsive and really great at, helping students kind of pursue what they're interested in. I'm pretty confident. I feel like I could, at this point, kind of jump on any set and at least know where my strengths are enough that I know what I could do well. I know what maybe I wouldn't be for me. I feel like by the time you finish term 4, you're able to kind of get on bigger sets and kind of what you're doing. At least if you've been paying attention,